How to add a messenger button to your Facebook page. This feature allows visitors to your page to easily start a conversation with you via messenger. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now first open your web browser and go to Facebook's website. Make sure to log in with your credentials. Once you've logged into your account, navigate to the Facebook page you manage where you want to add the messenger button. You can do this by clicking on the pages in the left hand menu and selecting your page. Here, click on settings in the left hand page menu of your page. In the settings menu, find and click on messaging. This will open the messaging section settings for your page. Scroll down to add the messenger to your page section. Here you should see an option to add or customize the messenger button. Click add button or edit if you're customizing an existing button. You can choose where you want the messenger button to appear on your page. After customizing the button, click Save to apply the changes. The messenger button will now be visible on your Facebook page. Visit your page to ensure that the messenger button appears as expected. You can test it by clicking on the button to make sure it opens the chat window. And that's it, you've successfully added a messenger button to your Facebook page.